Hello everyone, welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see how to grow and harvest black eyed pea from seeds and bring it to platter in kitchen. Black eyed pea help prevent anemia as it is high on iron-rich protein, and they also carry a good amount of dietary fiber and hence they aid in weight loss as well. These are mostly summer plants and they are fast growing as well. So the plant matures between 60 to 75 days and so they are ready for harvest after 2 months. These are black eyed pea seeds. Before sowing the seeds, see to it the soil is loose and moist. And for sowing, use your finger and make a hole for half inch or at the max 1 inch and then sow the seed. And you have to cover it up like this. Keep in mind that the seeds has to be planted in row and each seed is placed at a minimum of 2 feet or 3 feet apart so that they get enough space for growing. This is after 1 week of sowing the seeds. See how beautiful the baby shoots have come out. This is the growth on second week. This is how the fully grown plant looks. These are fast growing climber plants. So as and when the plant starts growing, you have to immediately give a support to them. Here you can see how well the vine is twisting on the support and climbing. We just have to give the external support and they will twist and climb on its own. Now let me show you how the flower looks. This is how the bud looks and it's mild yellow in color. You can see small ants roaming around the bud. That's because they like to scavenge on the bugs present in these. And this is the long bean and this is the flower. When the flower blooms, it is white in color and it has got so many shades. Come, I'll give you a closer look to see the shades. You can see mild yellow in between and little purple also is there. And the two green stigma kind of on top are the beans. Inside which you can see the black eyed pea after it matures. I'll show you some matured beans also. These are matured ones. You can see the color change in that. See, all this is again matured one. I'll cut one of the bean and I'll show you how the black eyed pea looks inside. This is tender. So you can use the outer cover as well for cooking. See the bean coming out. Wow, look at the color. How shiny it is. I'm going to pluck few more beans for cooking. If you want the dry black eyed pea like the one that is available in market, then you'll have to leave this bean in the plant as such till the outer cover turns yellow and then it completely dries. And once it is completely dried, it will start splitting. Then you can find the pea like the one that is available in market. As such, the green beans are too healthy, so I've plucked them now. I've washed all the beans and I've brought them to my kitchen. I'll split this open and show you. Since it is too tender, you can have the black eyed pea raw also. And in fact, it is quite healthy to have it raw. See, I've split open. Oh, see how cute the pea is looking. Oh my god, all tiny peas. Look at the arrangement, all in line with proper social distancing. Nature is beautiful. Now I'll show you how to cook these beans in proper South Indian style. Please don't mind, I'm taking few of these black-eyed peas to munch on while I cook. I couldn't resist. Before we start off, let me show you the ingredients. These are the black-eyed pea beans that we plucked from garden. 2 chopped onions, few curry leaves, 1 dry red chilli, few mustard seeds and few jeera. Take the kadai, heat it up, add some oil and add the mustard seeds and the jeera. Let it splutter and then add the curry leaves and the red chilli. Once it splutters, now add onion, chopped onions. Just give it a stir. You can add little salt to it. Keep stirring till it turns golden brown. Now add the black eyed pea beans. Give it a stir and add little turmeric powder. Stir nicely so that it mixes well, and you can sprinkle little water for it to cook. Very little water. Just close the lid. Keep stirring in between to check if it's cooked, and if it's cooked you can add little grated coconut. This is optional, but South Indian recipes always have coconut in it, so that's why I've added grated coconut in the last. It's ready now to serve. It hardly takes less than 10 minutes for cooking. It's very simple, fast to cook, delicious and nutritious too. So go to your kitchen now, look for the black eyed pea seeds and start sowing and enjoy the delicacy. It's just a matter of 2 months and you'll really enjoy the taste. And it's very healthy and nutritious too. I hope the video was useful. Do try it at your home, and if you find the video interesting, please do like, subscribe and share it with all your nature loving friends. And to get the notifications on my upcoming videos, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.